Of recent, I've gotten loads of requests from people who are looking to apply for the Global Talent Visa, the endorsement, particularly after the technician announcement. People want to apply, but they want to be sure if they qualify or not. So before you begin your application process, it's very crucial to understand the eligibility criteria that has been set by Technician for endorsement. So in this video, I'll break down in simple terms and also try to provide a few examples to help you determine if you qualify. First, there are two routes to choose from where you're applying for the Global Talent Visa endorsement. There's the Exceptional Talent route and there's the Exceptional Promise route. Now, for the Exceptional Talent route, this is for those who have already established themselves as leaders in the digital technology sector. To be eligible for this route, you must provide evidence that you've been recognized as a leading talent in the digital technology sector within the last 5 years. This recognition can come from reputable sources such as industry experts, your peers, or organizations, reputable ones. Additionally, you must provide at least two of the following criteria. Number one, proven track record for innovation as a founder or senior executive of a product-led digital technology company or as an employee working on a new digital field or concept, a concept that is new. Two, proof of recognition for your work beyond your occupation that contributes to the advancement of the field, the digital technology field. Three, significant entrepreneurial contribution, to the field as a founder, a senior executive, a board member, or an employee of a product-led digital technology company. Four, you must have demonstrated exceptional ability in the field by academic contributions through research that have been published or endorsed by an expert. For instance, if you've won a prestigious award for your contributions to the digital technology sector, this could be very well used as an evidence for recognition. Now, on the other hand, the Exceptional Promise route is for emerging leaders with less than 5 years experience in the digital technology sector. Less than 5 years experience. To qualify for this route, you must provide evidence that you've been recognized as having the potential to be a leading talent in the digital technology field within the past 5 years. This also means that if you have experience more than 5 years, you do not qualify to apply for Exceptional Promise. Additionally, you must meet at least two of the following criteria if you're applying for Exceptional Promise. Number one, you must submit at least one example of innovation as a founder of a product-led digital technology company or as an employee working on a new digital field or concept. Two, at least one example of proof of recognition beyond your occupation that contributes to the advancement of the digital technology sector. Three, at least one example of significant technical, commercial, or entrepreneurial contribution to the field as a founder or an employee of a product-led digital technology company. I'm going to do a special video on what they refer to as product-led. Four, at least one example of exceptional ability in the field by academic contributions through research that is endorsed by an expert. For example, if you've launched a successful digital technology startup or contributed to the research that has been recognized by industry experts, this could be used as an evidence for your recognition. Now, regardless of which route you choose, you must meet the following mandatory criteria in addition to the optional ones we just listed. For the mandatory criteria, number one, you must be able to demonstrate your skills and achievements in the digital technology sector. Number two, you must have a proven track record of innovation and or exceptional ability in the field. Three, you must be endorsed by Technician's independent panel of assessors. And then four, you must be able to prove your potential to be a leader in the digital technology sector. For example, if you've contributed to the development of a groundbreaking technology or made significant contributions to a digital technology project, this could be used as evidence for your skills and achievements. And this could be across your career, Now, it's important to note that Technician's independent panel of assessors will determine whether you qualify for the Global Talent Visa based on merit only. So it's very important to put forward your biggest accomplishments, your biggest achievements, your biggest results, your biggest impacts. In conclusion, the Global Talent Visa is an excellent opportunity for exceptional talents or emerging leaders in the digital technology sector. And to determine your eligibility, you must meet the mandatory criteria and at least two of the optional criteria that I've listed, whether exceptional or promise. I hope you find this very helpful. If you do have questions or you want me to look through your documents, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below and I would ensure to respond accordingly. Lastly, do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that when I release the next video, you'll be the first to know about it. Cheers, guys.